You been reading the news lately? You heard that Alberta, in general, as a market, is becoming quickly one of the most desirable investment locations in Canada right now. It's true. Prices are inflating, inventory is moving, rents are going up, prices are going up, and guess what? The cost of living index is low. What that means in basic terms is the amount of money people make versus the cost of renting a place. There's a huge gap, lots of disposable income. So that means there's a lot of cash flow available in Edmonton as a city. Now, we know that for those of you from across Canada, it's not always easy going into a new city and figuring out, well, hey, where do I invest? I get asked that all the time. Hey, where's a good spot in Edmonton to invest in? Well, let me show you. We've created this super handy tool on our website that makes it very, very easy to learn a little bit about the city. And we just share it. It's free. It's on the internet. Go check it out. Go to mogulrg.com. Use the Mogul Mastermind Market Intelligence. Once you're in the Market Intelligence tab, we just open up this here map and look at this thing. It's awesome. You click on a neighborhood. It gives you a summary, a description, what kind of pricing you're going to see, typical rental profile, common investment opportunities, key economic drivers. Pretty handy stuff. It shows all the infrastructure. Hey, here's where the LRT is coming in. That's good to know. So I would highly encourage you to play around with this map. Look, it reaches out to the entire Edmonton economic region, as far south as Leduc, out to Spruce Grove and Stony Plain. We've got Fort Saskatchewan in there. Our industrial areas are pointed out in gray. So you know where the employment hubs are, where the industrial hubs are, et cetera, et cetera. You can even add layers and take layers away. So when you click on this sidebar, you can add or remove metro lines. There it goes, it comes on back. Capital line, coming and going. So this map's just meant to show you a little more about Edmonton as an investment option. Really handy. Check it out. You'll like it. You'll learn a thing or two about Edmonton. If you've ever been thinking about learning about the city and in specific which areas to invest, you got to check this out. Hope you're having a good one. Happy spring and happy investing.